In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable iDEAL in your Stripe account. 2025 guide. If you sell to customers in the Netherlands, iDEAL is a must-have local payment method that lets shoppers pay directly from their bank. By the end, you'll have it turned on, tested, and ready to accept real payments with confidence. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. If you manage multiple businesses or teams, make sure you're in the right account. Before changing anything, switch to test mode so you can safely configure and try things without charging real customers. You'll see the test mode toggle at the top of the dashboard. Next, open the payment methods area in your dashboard. Depending on your layout, it's under payments or settings. Use the search bar if needed and look for the list of supported methods for your region and currency. Find iDEAL in the list. If you don't see it, double check that your account country and default currency support European bank redirect payments. Enable iDEAL by turning on the toggle. Stripe may prompt you to accept additional terms. Some accounts also need a quick review before activation, so if you see a message about verification, it's normal. Just continue with the prompts. Confirm your business details are complete and accurate. That includes your legal business name, address, website, support email, and a clear statement descriptor, so buyers recognize the charge on their bank statements. Ensure you have a valid payout account set up to receive funds in EUR. If any information is missing, Stripe will flag it here. Fill it in to prevent delays. With iDEAL enabled in test mode, run a test payment. The simplest path is to create a payment link or a checkout session, enable iDEAL for that payment page, and complete a test flow using the provided test banks. Verify the entire redirect experience. Your customer selects their bank, authorizes the payment, and returns to your success page. In the dashboard, confirm the payment shows as succeeded and that your success and cancel URLs behave as expected. Add iDEAL to your website or platform. If you use Stripe checkout or payment links, keep the iDEAL toggle on in your settings. Stripe will display it automatically where eligible. If you use an e-commerce plugin, enable iDEAL in the plugin's Stripe settings. For custom integrations, include iDEAL in your payment method types and set a proper return URL for redirects. Finally, go live. Switch your dashboard to live mode, enable iDEAL there as well, and mirror any settings you used in test mode. Run a low-value live transaction to validate the end-to-end flow, then monitor your first payouts and notifications. That's it. iDEAL is ready on your Stripe account.